Okay friends, here we have a brand new G3 smartphone fresh from NUU Mobile. NUU Mobile is a Miami-based up-and-coming international cell phone manufacturer offering affordable dual-SIM Android smartphones that are unlocked and ready to roll. Let's open up the box.
Careful.
This is a real iPhone.
Madison!
Pretty nice looking, huh? Smooth, curved edges, high-end design. It has a sleek real glass casing that shimmers beautifully in the light. Nice size screen, feels good in your hand, and you get a 5.7-inch screen with 18:9 definition, which is really good. 2.59 GHz octo-core processor. It's optimized for use on 4G LTE networks, the fastest around, and it also offers 4 GB of random access memory and 64 GB of internal storage. That is expandable to 128 GB by adding a memory card into your second SIM slot. That's an extra 10,000 or so photos you can store on the G3. Plus, it features dual camera in the rear and a single selfie camera in the front. Each of the larger cameras, front and back, have a sweet 13 times exposure for taking great photos and selfies. Okay, let's see. You also get fingerprint ID and facial recognition, really cool security features you wouldn't expect on an affordably priced smartphone. And now the G3 is even better with its recent upgrade to Android Oreo software. Let's see what else we get in the box. A free flexible soft side case. You have your charging brick and your charging cable. Oh, and what's this here? A nice little extra. They give you a SIM card extraction tool. Nice! Now let's look back at this cable. Most phones have a charging cable with a micro USB connection on the end, while the G3 ends in a USB Type-C connector. The Type-C is the next generation of connectors and allows you to charge faster, handle more power, and perform more tasks than the old-style connector. The USB Type-C connector is also more than just a headphone jack. It allows you to attach all kinds of devices and transfer all types of data at incredibly fast speeds. If your headphone has a jack connection, just use this dongle to connect. No problem. Let's remove the protective sleeve and take a closer look. All right, let's check out all the buttons and slots. You've already seen the dual SIM card tray up here on the top. On the bottom, we have the microphone, the speaker, and the USB Type-C connector, where you charge the phone as well as connect headphones and other devices. Over here on the side, you have the volume button and the power button. On the back, you see the dual camera, the flash, and the fingerprint ID sensor. Look at how the beautiful sapphire blue glass case reflects the light in the room. Be prepared. You'll get lots of compliments on how great your G3 looks. Let's power up this baby. Your G3 comes about 80% charged from the factory, so you can turn it on as soon as you get it. Look at that beautiful screen. Big, bright, perfect. The G3 is also NFC enabled, which means you can send files, share photos, and even beam links to other Android devices by simply bringing the two phones together. With this technology, you can tap and pay for purchases at merchants that accept contactless payments. There it is, fresh and brand new out of the box, the affordable G3 smartphone from NUU Mobile. Beautifully designed and packed with high-end features for only $199.99 on Amazon and NUUmobile.com. It's a winner! For more details on how to maximize the functionality of your new G3, follow us on social media, or visit the About NUU news section on NUUmobile.com. NUU Mobile also offers screen protectors, heavy-duty cases, and other accessories on its website.